Hey guys, let's see how to block any app permanently in iPhone. So let's say you want any app to block permanently from your iPhone and you don't want anyone to install that particular app on your phone again. So first of all, remove that app. Okay. Now removing that app will not solve the problem because anyone can go to App Store, whoever is getting access of your phone. Anyone will go to App Store and install it again. So to block it permanently, what you have to do, you have to just go to settings, scroll down and find screen time, tap on it. And now if this is the first time you are visiting here, just set up screen time. It takes 2 seconds and then just set screen time passcode. This is a 4-digit or 6-digit passcode. Just set up passcode. Now just go to content and privacy restrictions, tap on iTunes and App Store purchases, enter the screen time passcode which you have just set. Now tap on installing apps and choose don't allow. So now no one will be able to install it. Okay, install any app from iTunes until unless the passcode is there. Okay, so if you want to allow install any app further, just choose allow and install the app and then just choose don't allow again. So installing any app is now impossible until unless someone knows the screen time passcode in iPhone. Thanks for watching. Please do like.